Today for the Bitcoin price, Bitcoin just broke out here towards the 10,000 US dollar area. And the question right now is, of course, is this the beginning of the Bitcoin bull market? Zooming out here on the monthly candles, I will be showing you something which will certainly surprise you. The last time Bitcoin did what it did today was in 2016 when we ran up all the way to 20,000 US dollars. The time before was in 2012, right here when we broke out towards the new all-time high here in 2013. And right now Bitcoin did the exact same thing again. We broke out of this 4 years trend line. I will be showing you shocking data, evidence and proof as to what happened today might be the confirmation of the parabolic bull run. Wait here until the end of the video. This data and this proof, certainly the most surprising thing I saw in a couple of months. I will be showing you my game plan, my strategy on Bitcoin, my exact price target and what I am planning for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. For sure, you do not want to be missing out what today's move on Bitcoin means for the next 12 months for Bitcoin. Do not miss out on what I have to tell you today. So make sure you take a seat, make sure you scroll down, you smash up the like button to at least 3,000 likes, guys. I really didn't plan to make that video, but today on Sunday, I'm here for you. So please smash up the like button, press subscribe, press the bell, press on all. And with that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. And as always, guys, we are starting here on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And today is certainly a very special episode. You see here this huge green candle and the Bitcoin price not only breaking above the ascending broadening wedge, but also breaking it directly into the most important resistance zone we were actually pointing out throughout the last few months. Well, first things first, and I really want to urge everyone to watch today's episode all the way through, because when I will be zooming out, I will be showing you something mind-blowing. And if you see what I have to tell you today, you will have clear visions about what is very likely to happen within the next few months for Bitcoin. You do not want to miss out on that, and I want to tell you, you cannot afford to miss out on that. Wait here until the very end of the video. I want to start with the immediate short term here right now on the 4-hourly candles. As you see, we broke out here previously. We talked about that here out of this previous symmetrical triangle as expected, and then the Bitcoin price was bouncing between support and resistance here, building this ascending broadening wedge. And usually these ascending broadening wedges, they usually tend to break out more towards the downside than to the upside. However, guys, you shouldn't forget that we are talking about Bitcoin here, and Bitcoin, once the bull begins his run, does not care about any probability functions here. I mean, just see what we posted a few hours ago, like basically 18 hours ago. The Bitcoin bull began his run way before actually the Bitcoin price broke out. The people were going crazy about that trade. We even got a little bit of hate, but a lot of laugh between this below this tweet. But look what happened here. The Bitcoin bull actually began his run. And not only that we broke above this, it will be important to see whether we can hold a daily candle above it. That would be very good. But the most interesting thing to observe here though is, if we are here going on the weekly candles, then you can basically see that the Bitcoin price is in every single cycle trapped within two converging trend lines. And look at this on the weekly candles with this specific pump here. I mean, guys, it is completely mind-blowing. I'm not even exaggerating. This is exactly what we have been waiting for. And the daily close comes sooner than expected. So let's sit down and wait for the daily close. If Bitcoin closes this Sunday, then also the weekly close will be confirmed to be above this downward sloping trend line, which we actually put in since the last 3 years. I mean, do I have to tell you how significant that is? Ever since the all-time high, we were building this huge trend here of 950 days. If Sunday actually closes above approximately 9,666, was someone making a joke here with us? But if the Bitcoin price closes the weekly candle above, well, guys, then we can tell that with a very high degree of certainty, we are going into the next bull run. Look what happened here the last time we actually closed a weekly candle above. The last time we closed a weekly candle above, this was the exact moment we never ever saw these prices again, and the Bitcoin price just went unstoppable here towards the new all-time high. And you know what, guys, let me take this a little bit more forward to show you how significant that actually is. Here we are on the monthly candles on the BLX. Make sure you check it out yourself. If we were to zoom in, and I really wanted to show you one thing before, remember what we said, and that was basically the people were laughing at us. It was in May, the 26th of May, when Bitcoin was at 8,900 US dollars. Everyone was bearish. It was still in that consolidation phase, and we said this tweet is addressed to all Bitcoin bears. I made the same tweet already like a few months ago, where I was pointing out that, yeah, we have these converging trend lines ever since Bitcoin had this cycles here in 2010 until 2012, then 2012 until 2016 we broke out, and then of course we formed this new one. And I said back then, a few months ago, when everyone was still laughing at us here at MMCrypto, that we will most probably be breaking out here and go into the next bull cycle. I said this will be most probably happening within this year, latest December, and now it seems to be coming a little bit earlier than expected even. Going here to the monthly candles, you can see this is what we have been waiting for. Look at the Bitcoin price, it is actually above that, and of course you can draw it differently. Here I was connecting the wicks. If you were to connect the candle bodies actually, then of course it is still very clear. We can still see we are above. So no matter how we put it, the Bitcoin price would be at the monthly close, which is coming in approximately 4 to 5 days above this. And if history were to do something similar than before, then every single time we closed a monthly candle, that would be in 5 days above these converging trend lines. Look what happened before. In 2012 we went from $11 all the way up to 1,300 US dollars, and then the second time we closed the monthly candles actually here in the beginning of 2017 above these converging trend lines here, we went all the way up from 600 US dollars to 20,000 US dollars. So of course the likelihood of us going to the next parabolic bull cycle within the next 12 months will significantly increase if we not only close today's weekly candle here above the price level of 9,660 US dollars, but also if we close the monthly candle above this price target, because right now the Bitcoin price is pumping, and right now this is a probable scenario, guys. I want to know from you guys right now in the comment section down below, what do you think? Will we close the monthly candle above or not? Let me know your own prediction down in the comment section, and please guys, I was not planning to make a video today. I actually wanted to relax. No one expects a pump like this on Sunday. You know I'm in a big trade, but I just thought I have to push this content to you. So if you appreciate that, guys, please just scroll down, press this like button to at least 3,000 likes for $10,000 Bitcoin. Go to the subscription button, press subscribe, press the bell, and press on all, because only then you can make sure that you are not missing out on the next video. And also, guys, of course, my Phemex trade is still open. You can see it right here popping up, and you can see the trade is still very profitable. And I haven't done another trade here. This was my first trade since the last 2 months, and I told it to you transparently when I stopped trading 2 months ago. Ever since I started showing my trades, I had 5 profitable ones and 1 non-profitable one. I showed my trading history in yesterday's video. Go check it out. And now my first trade here is profitable again, and this is actually my own trading strategy. I only go into positions where I can say with a high degree of certainty I will be profitable here. And if that means that I'm only trading 2 trades per month, well, let it be like this. If these trades are heavily profitable, I'm fine with that. I'm not a day trader. I'm trading here the swings, and I'm trading only when I'm very comfortable with my position. Oh, and by the way, guys, many people were commenting recently, show us your house and stuff, and also sometimes commenting, you look so red. It is actually, I mean, I am not red because I have a sunburn or so. It's just always the sun shining into my face. I don't have a sunburn. I really wanted to show it to you. If you were to look here, there's the sun always shining here into my office, and this is the reason why I sometimes look a little bit of red. So please refrain from these comments always. But yeah, I truly appreciate you watching. Thank you so much for that. And before we are going to this crazy on-chain metrics, I wanted to show you this here. Remember what we said before, Bitcoin does not surrender. And you can see here the history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. And we saw in every single cycle these patterns within the converging trend lines I mentioned previously, they are repeating over time. And And right now it seems we are in this test and breakout area. I posted this on the 1st of July 2020 and still people were laughing at it, but right now it seems this could be a possible scenario right now. And if Bitcoin closes the monthly candle above this downward sloping resistance, then we can say, well guys, maybe we are entering this bull market right now. If you agree to that, if you're looking forward to that, scroll down and smash up the like button for that video right now. And just as a quick ending note, I wanted to show you some mind-blowing on-chain metrics. Look at this here. This is the number of whales, and ever since we had this drop here from $6,000 down to $3,000, somewhere around the levels of here December 2018, January 2019, the number of whale addresses was increasing. This was the moment the smart money was stacking up their Bitcoin. I already always told you throughout the whole last month here that this is actually happening for Bitcoin. And yeah, of course, most of you guys took this also as a valuable input here for your own analysis. And as you can see, so far the whales were right. We were at $3,000 at the Corona dump. We were at $4,000. All of these moments were the exact moments the whales started stacking up again. And if we were to look at this here, this is the supply held by entities with a balance of $1,000 to $10,000. So this is a clustering of addresses and entities which are holding at least 1,000 Bitcoin, a maximum of 10,000 Bitcoin. And this is right now, let me diminish the price, at an all-time high. You can see it here. And what you can also see, and that's interesting, that always reaching the all-time high, the smart money starts selling before we are reaching the all-time high. Here, the same thing again, the smart money starts selling before we are reaching the all-time high. But whenever the addresses or the number of entities holding at least 1,000 Bitcoin is increasing on an ongoing basis, this is the moment, and this is the indication for us still being in the upwards trajectory and for us still being far away from the next all-time high. And this is the same thing which is happening right now. Ever since we had hit these $4,000 levels, these waves were stacking up Bitcoin more and more, and they are still buying Bitcoin as we speak. And just here another tweet, I posted this on the 4th of July 2020, and I said here back then, breaking within the last 10 years, Bitcoin went 4 times into the green buying zone of the pure multiple. This was on the 4th of July. The Bitcoin price was approximately like at $7,000-8,000. And I said back then, every single time we broke into the zone, broke out and confirmed the breakout, Bitcoin started the next parabolic run. Just right now, we confirmed the breakout again. Many lovely MMCrypto family community members, they liked and retweeted it. They really enjoyed it. But once again, we had a lot of people making noise, didn't believe in us. And they actually said, well, Bitcoin is going here from 7,000 down to $3,000, 2,000. But look at this. We went out, confirmed the breakout, went higher. And this was the moment Bitcoin actually started its run here back to the $10,000 areas. The on-chain data is not lying, guys. And this is why we are using it for our analysis. And I can tell you it is very hard to prove, but I am very sure this is also one of the reasons why my trading is so profitable right now. Also, guys, as a quick ending note here, very important, you get $502 completely for free on our 3 favorite exchanges. If you go down to our pinned comment after 0.2, respectively 0.5 Bitcoin deposit, if you also want to put in a trade like me here, please only if you are an experienced trader, but if you are, click these links, email address, password, an initial deposit, and you get your free bonus for free. You can trade with the free bonus, and you can withdraw the free the profits from that free trade actually also here from the exchange, which is a very nice thing, but only for experienced traders. And if you want the free on-chain data as well, we have a Glassnode and Sentiment link down below as well. Make sure you support us and make sure you claim your bonuses. Thank you so much for that. And with that being said, right now Bitcoin breaking above 10,000. We are really chopping around here. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button. And thank you so much for coming back to our channel, joining our Telegram group with more than 15,000 members. And with that being said, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, click the subscription box right here and click the Bible tutorial, which is popping up right there. And with that being said, as always, guys, as always, bye bye.